Ladies, if slipping into your favorite pair of jeans feels like fighting a war each day, we know where the problem lies. Your bulging tummy. Yes, a potbelly can not ruin your beautiful figure, but also lead to many health complications. To help you flatten these tires, we have put together 5 best exercises for belly fat reduction. Hesse exercises work by moving every muscle in the area, and along with that, even strengthen your core. So, let's get into a comfy workout clothing to kickstart your new routine. Causes of belly fat in women. Before we learn about the exercises, let us look into the factors that cause a loose, hanging belly fat in women. High-calorie diet that is full of unhealthy fats, sugars, and carbohydrates. Sedentary lifestyle with almost no physical activity to burn the calories consumed. Low-protein diet that is linked to poor metabolic rate in the body. Menopause in women, which causes a drop in the estrogen levels, leading to weight gain and belly fat. Poor digestion that can slow down the breakdown of food and cause fat deposits around the waistline. Stress that can decrease the cortisol levels in the body, which can lead to unwanted deposits in the abdominal region. Here is a set of 5 belly fat workouts to help you lose the excess bulk around your tummy and waistline. Number 1. Crunches. The first word that comes to our mind when we talk about belly fat burning exercises in crunches. While crunches alone cannot melt your fat, they sure can speed up the results when combined with other exercises. Also, crunches can strengthen your abdominal muscles and give them a toned appearance. Steps to perform. Lie on your back. Slowly, bend your knees and place your feet flat on the ground. Now place your hands behind your neck and rest your hand on the palms. Inhale deeply and slowly lift up your upper torso while exhaling. Keep your neck and head relaxed. Inhale and go back to the original position. Number 2. Bicycle abdominal exercise. Bicycle abdominal exercise is considered to be one of the most effective exercises to get rid of lower belly fat. Also called bicycle crunches, this workout involves moving both your torso and the legs to burn more calories and achieve a toned body. There are many variations of this exercise, and we have listed the steps for a standard one suitable for beginners. Steps to perform. Spread a mat and lie down on the ground. Make sure that your lower body is pressed firmly onto the floor. Place your hands on the sides of your hand to support it. Now lift up your torso and bend one leg towards the chest. Keep the other leg extended on the ground. Twist your body to bring your opposite hand closer to this knee. You don't have to touch it or go beyond your body limits. Now lower your arm and your leg at the same time. Relax. Repeat this procedure on alternate side. Number 3. Planks. When it comes to strengthening your core and burning belly fat at the same time, nothing can beat the benefits of a plank exercise. By engaging multiple muscles in the body, this workout can also improve your posture and flexibility. To begin with, you can try out this easy forearm plank exercise to lose belly fat. Steps to perform. Lie face down and place your arms, toes on the floor. Now get into the push-up position by bending your arms at the elbows. Raise your body and balance the entire weight on the toes and elbows. Keep your arms and face parallel to the ground. Make sure to keep your abdomen tight and straight. Maintain the position for as long as you can. Relax and come back to the normal posture. Number 4. Leg lifts. Leg lifts exercise is another best lower belly fat workout that is highly recommended by fitness experts to get a shaped tummy. This is a simple exercise which involves lifting only your legs to put pressure on the abdominal muscles. It is also called hanging leg raises, as you are restricting arm or body movement and only lifting your legs in midair. Steps to perform. Lie on your back and keep your arms fixed on the ground. Keep your head straight. Inhale deeply. Now slowly lift both the legs and exhale as you do. Do not bend your knees or move your body. Maintain the posture for 15 to 20 seconds. Inhale and go back to the starting position. Number 5. Lunge twist. Lunge twist is a great way to lose lower back and abdominal fat. It also strengthens your glutes, spinal column, and your overall core. For enhanced support and balance, you can also use a medicine ball, although it is not mandatory along with shaping your body. This exercise can also correct posture problems and misalignments in the structure. Steps to perform. Stand straight with your feet apart from each other. Now bend your left leg only. Move your right leg to the back and extend it as much as you can. Rotate your torso to the left and bend forward to touch your elbow to the knee. Return to the starting position. Repeat the movement on the other side.